Hi, I'm Ipin. I'm now doing a self-interview about my culture of the Khor family, that is the Chinese calligraphy. And from 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 the past, I explained it, and now it's present. It's a bit different because we do not practice the spring culture anymore, and we only practice the Chinese calligraphy. That is, I will show you later of a video for my family practicing the Chinese calligraphy only, and later I'll briefly explain why the past and the present is so different right now. So I'm Ipin. I'm doing a self-interview now for my CNC project. So for future generation, I think what can I do is I will try to make my family member, other family members to know the importance of our culture, and this is our specialty of like the image of Khor family. So I will do it more oftenly, and I will go other place or maybe take session to learn how to write the spring couplet. And during the Chinese New Year, I will write it and paste it on my family members so they know, oh, the culture is back, and maybe they are interested and I can teach them to write, so this culture will not die, and I will pass it down to the next generation and the next generation. It will be forever a thing, for a special thing in the Khor family, and everybody must learn how to use it, how to write it. Thank you.